This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a sunroof, heated seats, alloy wheels, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, a CD player, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a security system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Bill Hood Ford Lincoln is located at 1500 North Morrison in Hammond. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.